As a relationship and sexual coach and educator, I get a sneak peek into people's sex lives. The good, the bad, and the downright dirty. Over the years, I've found a few common chords among women during the moment. So for you and all other curious men out there, here are the top 5 things women wish they could tell you about knacking. Spoiler alert, it is not bigger, it's better. For many women struggling with decreased libido, mental stressors such as work and household chores are suppressing their knacking appetite. Men are often able to ignore their stressors, allowing a simple brush from their clothing to give them an erection, whereas women tend to require a clearer mind. Therefore, many men use sex to release stress, while women, on the other hand, often need to feel relaxed and stress-free in order to have sex. So what do so many women want to say? Touch me, tease me, but first, fold the laundry. Men who help to eliminate some of their partner's stressors, whether it be doing the dishes or helping them to prepare for work meeting, often find things in the suddenly become spicier. Arousal for many women is different than it is for men. Visual stimulus is the primary means for sexual arousal in men. Therefore, before a man even physically connects with his partner, he may be standing and ready. Women, on the other hand, tend to experience more knacking arousal from sounds, smells, emotions, and touch. So how can men help prolong foreplay? Experimenting with different erogenous zones. For example, the lips, necks, nipples, inner thighs. And trying different types of, knacking touch can help many women become ready. And a more ready partner often refers to better knacking for all parties involved. I'm sure every person with a Y chromosome listening to this video went back and listened to number 2 and then thought, there they go, contradicting themselves. Meanwhile, 99% of women already know where this is going. As a relationship coach, it saddens me to hear woman after woman disclose how they only knack with their husbands to keep them happy. So many of them describe laying there almost lifeless, letting out a moan here or there, and just hoping he will hurry up. But it doesn't have to be that way. But men, yes, you can help. Most of these lifeless women are laying there either thinking about all of the things they need to do, or because they weren't aroused enough in the beginning. So it is okay. Be a 2-pump chump this time and then go back and listen to number 1 and 2. So next time, instead of laying there thinking of hurry up, you should be laying there thinking, don't stop. Number 4, if you look good and smell good, will make you feel good. Although visual stimulus is not the primary means for knacking readiness in women, go listen to number 2. We still have eyes and like to be attracted to what we see, while there really isn't a male equivalent for a sexy lingerie, heels, and pin-up makeups. You coming to bed in your white tube socks, chewing on your fingernails with the smell of your fat leading the way. It is not exactly a turn on. Instead, take a shower and put on a fresh new boxers. You will be surprised how suddenly Sleeping Beauty becomes Jessica Rabbit. We aren't all the same. Just because the last woman you were with, or the one in that impractical porn you recently watched, liked to be flipped over, spanked, and talked dirty to, doesn't mean your current partner likes that too. I mean, she may, but ask. And women, speak up. No one is going to be pleased if he thinks you like cuddle, because that's what his last girlfriend liked. And meanwhile, you're over there wishing he would pull out the handcuffs. No, we aren't all the same. But over the years as a sex coach, I have found some of the same themes among many of my subscribers that I connect personally with through consultations. While I'm not in the business of losing business, I do suspect that if Mrs. Okafor of the world suddenly starts coming home to freshly showered men and folding laundry, I may also start seeing there are fewer women with decreased libido. So when you start incorporating this into your knacking life, your marriage or your knacking life would be better. So these are the things that women want, or Exactly, not all of them. You can go ahead and ask your woman. Talk to her. She will talk to you. Ask her what she wants. Ask her the things she wants you to change. And start making the changes today. It is really going to help you a great deal. And I'm still your favorite coach, Gracious Trauma. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you've liked my video. Leave your comment down there on the comment section. And I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Bye.